person who clean the pool from the community. So it's all about community development. Yeah.
Well, it seems we're on the right track already. So how do we move forward from here?
Well, now we can exchange numbers. And before, so tell me, you have activities here every night?
Not currently every night, but for now, we have games night. Every now and then, maybe 2 times to the week, we have the men playing domino and the females playing bingo. And on every other Friday night, we have something called Topless Fridays, where we bring in 2 topless girls and come entertain the men there.
Topless? Now you're talking about me. Yes, I shall be here. See those topless girls? Yes, it sounds like something we can deal with. And as soon as I get a group, I'll definitely give you a call. So you need to give me the number, so we can keep
Not
in
a
touch.
problem. Just call me and let me know whenever they're coming. Give me enough notice because when groups are coming in, we normally prepare for them, cook some food and probably a little entertainment. Because we have a DJ and singers from the block, so they will come entertain food. Just let me know in advance. Alright? As you see, that's exactly what we're doing now. We put some food, we boil some soup for the community. That's to build a vibes up and everything and stress.
Alright, so just give me your number. See you. So I'll call you and you will get my number.
Sure.
Okay?
Not a problem.
Alright. Nice talking to you, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Pastor,
Yo,
I come link you, yeah?
cool.
Bartender, number 8 this?
Yes.
Who is? Speedy?
Indian!
Oh, how long now? Sorry. Bartender, give her a drink for me now.
Me tell that later. Need to talk to you. Come with me and chat over there, my friend. Tony, when the last time you see you? 20 years now from in Michigan, you know?
The last time I'm Michigan for real, man.
What you do with yourself now? You tell me say you did in the army.
Yeah, but you out here now, talking for a little while.
You're on vacation?
No, just there now,
I do what? What happened to your father? You still around the funeral home?
So the old man and the old lady did pass. So me I run things now.
Jaja.
That's just one of them things.
My condolences, my friend. But the last time I say you say in the army, what go on? You still I do that thing there?
Nah man, don't have for them things. But all of them colorful war there, like Cambodia, Brazil, Afghanistan, Iraq, they did it.
That is it. I'm proud of you, my friend. Yeah, well, we can go in the bar, go drink and talk more. So, Mama, you still have family on the top of the hill?
No, you know, don't say everybody did leave up from up there. But we're in a construction now. We have planned for some work up there.
Yeah. So, how much house are you go up there? So, you're part of the project too?
I don't know about a project up there, so. But just know, so I have a meet a brother talk about some units up there.
Okay. Because somebody else, they come here and tell me say they're a part of one project where supposed to go on up there.
Tell me something. We see a brother leave from out there earlier. Are you married?
No. He's more involved in the tourism business. They might look a spot to care film guests them than film place.
What do you need?
Him same name Trevor Sullivan from Albert Falls.
Okay. Bartender, give me a special name. So your uncle run the place still?
No, you know. The farm not run there again. I just the bar right now and I construct it in an entertainment complex.
So Jenna, you replace this? It's a nice establishment, man. So you run things. So you're there full time now?
Yeah, we do all we need to do a foreign. So I'm come home now to settle in. Shouldn't be some ice, please.
See, I give back to the community. And like that. Same thing I do. God, remember when I was a little boy, the place, the dilapidated and all that. You get me? Living condition and all that. You get me, I say? So, the same thing I have in mind to deal with up on top of the hill there.
This goes on like that. And sir, I must tell you, we have a community outreach program where we not only try to employ, but we train the youth them in various areas like waiters, bartenders, housekeepers, and the farming too. But we try to employ them in the community to do a little work. You don't know when you have no qualification and certain things, you can't get no work out there in the world. So we have to do what we can do for them.
Proud there, love what you are there. The same thing we have to carry some food up there, help them out and all of that, to get me, because especially we have to deal with the aftermath of the hurricane, you get me? You can just imagine with my face up there.